Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Today, we're going to just take some time and talk about not needing to change other people. We're to work on ourselves and change ourselves and the way we look at it. We really need to learn to let people change on their own. And I know that's difficult if you're in a marriage situation or whatever, but the more we push against what we don't want, the more the person or thing will keep appearing in our lives. So, even so, if you're in a relationship that you want the person to change, try this. Focus for 30 days, write it down what you appreciate about the person. You don't have to give him the list or her. Just write it down, or even your children. You want to change something. So you don't want to keep harping at them. The more we try to change our people in our lives or our situations, the more they're going to rebel. Most times they're going to rebel against us and bring more of frustration to ourselves of why don't those people change? Why doesn't he or she do this or that? I suggest that you try this and write down every day for 30 days what you appreciate about the person. Do they do the laundry once in a while? Do they wash the dishes? Do they pick up after themselves? Even if it's a tiny, tiny little thing, write it down. And over the course of the 30 days, you're going to notice that you're attracting more things to be thankful about, more things that they do right. You will just naturally change something in yourself to vibrate at a higher frequency and pull that into your life. So we don't want to focus on changing anybody because it just makes them do more of what's frustrating us. We can talk to them till we're blue in the face and it won't do any good. We have to work on changing ourselves and becoming the best vibrational person that we can be and vibrate on such a high level that people will see the changes in us and they will want to change on their own. That's the best way to do it is if people are watching us, and they are at every turn, they are monitoring our progress. How are we changing? We can't even attempt to ask another person to change if we're not willing to change ourselves. And the more we tell them they need to change, just like smoking, you tell a smoker not to smoke, they're going to light one up. And it's just human nature. We all have that in us. Don't eat that piece of cake. Well, guess what? We're going to go eat that piece of cake. So if we focus on what we are thankful for on that person and remembering the little things that they do, even if you're feeling frustration, let it go. Just take a few deep breaths, let it go, and go to your list. And some days will be challenging, I'm not going to lie. Just write down your list over the course of a 30-day period of what you're grateful for. What do they do right? What pleases you that they do? And see if that doesn't attract more of what you like. Well, hugs and kisses to all of you. You are deeply loved. God bless. You are divinely kept and restored. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow. I love each and every one of you. God bless you all. Bye for now.